think I'm going to like it here in London with introductions like that. And yesterday at the hotel, the guy called me Sir Patrick McNeil, so I think that's kind of fun. Sounds very stately and important, doesn't it? So yes, I'm in fact Patrick McNeil, and I'll be talking to you about inspiration and design trends today, a topic which I'm pretty passionate about, actually. As he mentioned, I run Design Meltdown, which is essentially a blog about web design where I talk about color usage and design elements and just various patterns that we find in web design. And it is all current. It's sites that are going up like, every day. And so it tends to be pretty up to speed in terms of what's going on. Through the course of the site, I've actually cataloged about 25,000 sites, which is a whole lot of sites, I think. And it's pretty much in touch with what's been going on. There's actually a book coming out soon based on the site, and that'll be out in September. So look for that. In terms of a professional background, I'm a mix between technology and design. I studied both like art history and studio art, but I started off as an engineering student, so I've got kind of a passion for both ends of things, and this really meshes well on the internet because you have to do it all. So it's been a fun playground. And actually, before I jump in and get started, I want to mention, I'm going to talk about a lot of websites, of course, so rather than try to write them down or put them in the presentation, I actually have a link at the end, or a URL you can write down, to pull up a page with all these sites on it. So don't feel like I'm not going to spell them out, so you won't even have the chance to write them down. So in terms of what we're going to talk about, first up will be where to find inspiration, of course, and the second question, which Paul alluded to, is actually one I get quite frequently, and that is, how do we avoid abusing inspiration?